Hi everyone, it's Lisa Ann Pinkerton, founder and chairwoman of Women in Cleantech and Sustainability, and we have a really cool treat for you today. Kimberlee Santera, CEO of TerraPro Solutions, is with us, and we're going to talk a little bit about the event that she's going to be teaching next week in San Francisco called Negotiation Skills. It's an executive leadership workshop framed around how we can break our own glass ceilings. It's going to be on June 27th, and you can click on the links below to learn more about the event. And Kimberlee, thank you so much for joining me here today.
Thank you, Lisa Ann. I'm really excited to be here.
I'm excited for you too, because this is a tech topic that I have been wanting to have us do an event around for years. Because in my mind, so many of us are expected to know negotiation skills just naturally. And many of us aren't taught until we start to recognize that we actually don't know what we're doing. So I wanted to ask you, what are some of the high-level skills that you're excited about teaching next week?
Well, we're going to be looking at the totality of how to frame negotiations, and it's really about strategy, and it's about putting together your foundation, and then looking at some of the barriers around the negotiation, and then also solutions and tactics.
When we started talking about doing this workshop, what excited you about it? Why did you want to teach it?
You know, we just don't advocate for ourselves, and I think in a lot of cases, we advocate for our families, for our children, our husbands. We're very comfortable doing that. But when it comes to advocating for ourselves, talking about our value and being able to, clarify and speak really confidently about that, I think that's where a lot of us really, we stumble. We have barriers.
Okay, wonderful. So what's something that you would like people to walk away with after they've spent the hour and a half or so in this workshop? What's your vision for the people who are planning to attend?
I really want all the women to leave feeling empowered, feeling that they will have the tools to prepare to go into the next negotiation, whether it's on a personal basis or on a commercial basis. That they will have some really good tools that they can feel like, I have some steps, I know what I can do here, I know how to prepare for this negotiation. And I think that's what I'm really hoping all the women will come away with. It's a really good understanding that it's a strategy, it's something if I can do, they can do. And I think that's the main thing is, just like you said at the beginning, I mean, most of us were never taught how to negotiate and what it looks like. So having someone kind of lay that out in terms of a strategy and steps, I think will be powerful.
Thank you so much for your time and effort putting this workshop together and coming all the way up from Southern California to give it. It's going to be on June 27th in San Francisco. Link in the bottom here of the video. So sign up because tickets are going fast. We only have 50 slots. And we'll see you next week, Kimberlee. Thank you so much.